Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back with Chef Paolo. Today, one of the super famous Italian salad, octopus salad, insalata de polpo. And I'm gonna make a Chef Paolo way with all the ingredients I like to combine together to have an amazing result of super fresh, tasty octopus salad. So, the ingredients here, guys, are here. First thing first, guys, we need to cook our octopus leg and our potato. When you have an octopus, you need to beat it, and beat it really hard, guys. Okay? Because like this, the meat is gonna become softer. Now, water, high fire, we let it cook for 20 minutes. My special touch, I'm gonna add just a little bit of white vinegar. It's gonna help the meat of the octopus to become softer. Alright guys, let's peel our potato. Here we are, guys. Once our potato is peeled, we cut it for high fire, and let's go for 20 minutes, both of them. See you later. Okay guys, in the meantime, we prepare our aioli sauce for our octopus salad. So we squeeze our lemon juice. Now it's time to chop our parsley. We need to chop it really, really thin and nice, guys. I'm coming soon to Guangzhou, guys, because you know, I'm really curious of the local cuisine of Guangzhou since it's the first time I've been there. So please give me some nice tip of some nice restaurant in Guangzhou. Thank you. Once it's chopped like this, we can put in our lemon juice. Now, of course, it's time to add our extra virgin olive oil. Let's say 4 tablespoons. Then we take our garlic and we chop it really, really thin, guys. Here it is, guys. And we put inside our sauce. We mix. Mamma mia, senti godorino. As the last thing, guys, we're gonna chop our red onion. Here we are, guys. All our ingredients are ready. So now, just the time to wait that our octopus leg is gonna be ready and our potatoes the same. See you soon. And here we are, guys. Look, after 25 minutes, our potato are perfectly done, and also octopus leg is super nice and tender. Look, mamma mia, che bella. All right, guys. Now we need to make our salad. So we chop our potato, then we add the part of our really nice aioli. We add a pinch of salt. Now we cut our octopus leg. And here we are, guys, ready for plating. We put a base of potato. Then we put our octopus. Our olives. Some onion. And we finish with our really nice sauce. And here you are, guys. Our super delicious octopus salad, Chef Paolo style, is ready. And now, guys, the best moment. Oh, mamma mia. Why this salad is amazing? First of all, because it's one of the most famous and delicious Mediterranean salad. Second, because it's super low fat, carbs it's only for the potatoes, and full of protein, nice protein from the octopus. A perfect lunch or dinner to keep in shape. So fresh, so juicy, so simple. Now make this recipe at home and join this amazing octopus salad with your friends and with your family. And of course, always with me, next time, next recipe. Se vedemo!